Hello, I myself is Hemal Pandya, running a tutorials since last 15 years named Asapura Tutorials to all classes in all the streams that are science, commerce and arts up to graduations and masters. As well as I myself is running English learning classes too that are general English or we can say spoken English too. Since last 22nd of March 2020, when pandemic corona how attacked on our India and we all have faced lockdown. During that I have started my online classes since 1st April 2020. And I'm very glad to inform you all that my result each time appears, my classes result each time appears by the students only 100%. May they be not all students are freshers only. Some students appear to my classes. May they have repeated more than 4 to 5 trials even. And after appearing this much try, many students became nervous, frustrated and about to leave the study also. How? I don't know. But surely by God's grace only. Sometimes students came to Asapura tutorials and to the all surprises, to the all frustrations, they clear their that studying year. It may be of board examination, whether it is of 10th or 12th. It may be of sometimes college also. By they cover it, they conquer it by their own work, of course, by our guidance, by our confidence. We create confidence in the students to face the exam confidently. There is nothing to worry to appear any exam, that we convince the students. And among all the astonishing aspects, students became what I say. Students became succeed. Of course, students get success. They become succeed and promote their studies further. That all are due to students' hard struggle with enough proper guideline. inner confidence developed by Asakura tutorials. They achieve it, conquer it, and proceed their studies. I just want to convey one matter the more is what is a tutorial? Let me tell you, let me inform you all what the tutorial is about in the next video of me. Till that, see ya.